All right, we are at the Carnahan. We're at the Carnahan Customs facility here, and today we are working on Stanley Carnahan's drag truck. Gavin Heiser, you don't have to go that far back. It's okay. What we're doing is we're trying to figure out if I can put the 05 Dodge Ram with the V6 leader, the wiring harness, and I need to figure out if the 5.7 Hemi's motor wiring harness will bolt onto the existing plugs down here, as you can see the bottom, and down here. If not, I don't care. I'm just going to gut all the electronics, go to the 5.7 and grab everything from inside there, put it in here, and just kind of figure out how it goes for real. But yeah, we're almost done. As you can see, we got everything taken out. I mean, all the wires are unplugged, unbolted. This is your AC, all the grounds, which I took pictures of all this stuff before. I think we have like a few more down here. Yeah, not too much left. And yeah, okay. All right, these down here, all they are is just some clips and push pins. Yeah, okay, cool. This is a clip here, push this down. You can't get that, use a flathead, or he'll supposed to use an actual tool for these, but I don't have money like that. Push these down. Okay, I'm gonna strip the wires out. Hold on. Oh shit. Okay, sometimes you have these red clips, and to push these down and out of the way, they lock in the clips from not coming undone. Oh my god, this is gonna look really bad in class. Okay. Oh, okay, got that one. That can be a pain. That can be a struggle sometimes. But that's what you get with real life situations. Not 5-minute tutorials on YouTube on how to take out an entire dash in 10 minutes. Because I watched that one. Nothing worked correctly. And you missed out a lot of steps. Okay, cool. Wiring's undone. This is for your radio. No one uses that anymore. Everyone uses Bluetooth. Unplug that, throw it away. Weight reduction. Race truck. Okay. That should be it. Oh my god, your foot's on it. Okay. And there's a wiring harness. If this don't work, I'm just gonna sell it for whatever's in it, like the copper and shit. There's probably not a lot at all, but I'll get at least 50 cents. Alright, let's go look at the race truck. Turn it off now. Alright, a little bit first person action. This is your AC box. There's a dead fly in here. Awesome. This is all broken. And this shit fades away really fast. Well, I mean, it's been a while. Okay, that's fine. My tools are here. Anyways, yeah, taking this out now. What else we got from here? I'm gonna edit the fuck out of this video. And butt sucks. And go. So now, wiring harness out, getting the AC box out. Now I think we're gonna get this box out and then go pop the hood, take the hood off, start working on the wiring harness in there, take all that stuff apart, lay it out, all connected with the V6 version and the 5.7 Hemi version, and lay it out, see if it's similar or the same wires. Probably not. Probably end up putting the 5.7 Hemi harness all the way in here totally, but you know, it'd be cool. But different motor, different sensors, probably not. So I'll probably end up just full Hemi swapping wiring harness to here, and just junking everything else I don't need off this truck because it needs to be light, and I want to go fast. So. All right, get in the video, and tell them why we're doing this stuff.
It's already started, bud.
Oh. All right, I'm in the engine bay. So what happened was on the airbox there's a wasp. On the airbox there's two bolts probably that are. What the fuck are you doing? Do you need clamps on the fucking? You need help, dog?
Fuck that.
Okay.
Who needs help?
Yeah, are you getting the angles right?
Just about.
All right. Anyways, there's 2 bolts behind the PCM or TCM or major computer. I'm gonna say all that, and I'm gonna say it's all right. It's wires, and I'm gonna undo this. I'm gonna undo like 8 screws. And I look behind it, and I'm pretty sure. We'll be right back. Okay. I dropped the flathead of the Phillips, so I haven't got. No, I couldn't pick it up. Don't say that. Thanks, Gavin. So now I'm gonna get. Okay. This is gonna get demonetized, dude. What the fuck? Anyways, these hose clamps out. 2 here, 2 here for your Freon and stuff. I'm pretty positive. So yeah, let me get these undone. Get those undone. And I think that should be it. I'm gonna send it. Can you get pliers? I need some duckbill or like some. All right. I'm waiting for Gavin for the adjustable pliers. But this is it. Just these 2. The 2 here, 2 here. That should be it. Oh, there he is. Thanks, man. Anyways. I would never suggest doing this on a customer vehicle. You'll break everything. But I can't get it out. And this is basically, I'm not using any of this stuff. We're almost there. Hold on, Scott. Already. Fuck.
I mean, it looks like we're fixing it. I think it's getting. We're about there, man.
Oh my god. Wait, hold on. Was this from you?
Yeah, it jizzed a little bit on me. Just a little bit.
Was this you though? Or is this from this?
Oh no. I didn't jizz. It was
from that?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Okay. Like I was saying earlier, it was my other assistant. This is Scott. This is not Gavin. I've already went through 2 guys today. That's how you.
Stanley.
Okay, yeah. There was still refrigerant in there. Man, I can smell that shit. That's probably bad for you. Anyways, there's still refrigerant in there. Luckily,
if you're watching this at home, do not do this at home.
Yeah. Luckily, when Scott kicked it off with his boots, it didn't explode.
I ripped that bitch off. I grabbed it and I fell back in the seat.
Well, luckily it didn't explode because I thought it wasn't charged anymore, and it wasn't. But they're still cool in there, so you got to make sure 100% that it will not explode on you. And in this case, it will explode on Scott. But yeah,
I'm showing on that before you went and take a shit, asshole. What the fuck?
But yeah, this is so good. But yeah. We're okay. This is out. Oh, it's on my eye. Yeah, that's out. All this, you can't get trashed. Here's the rest of that shit. Alright. It's dark outside. Yeah. AC box is out. The dash and everything is completely gutted. Wiring's all out, mostly for the most part. I undo some bolts and harnesses over there, which not too bad. And then let's see. Yeah, got this off. Cooling lines, all that shit. This has to get unbolted, taken out. That gets unbolted, taken out. Unplugged, unplug. This has to get unplugged from the transmission, and
so basically, what he's explaining here is we're gonna give her hell.
Yeah, and get rid of everything.
Yeah. Stripping her completely down.
Yeah, all this shit in here is unplugged, pulled out, unplugged, pulled out. Have to take it all out, line it up somewhat, and then one by one trace the 5.7 with the V6, and I probably might not do. I might just end up taking all the V6 stuff out, and it's not even looking at it. Just taking the 5.7 shit and throwing it in here. You get what I'm saying?
I'm checking the oil. Hold on. Where the fuck did this even come from? Oh, this is a transmission. Hold on.
You missed the hole's right here, dog.
Hold on. Yeah, I don't know about you, but that's pretty low.
Yeah, that's pretty low. Yeah. So let's get all this part. Maybe not today. It's getting dark out, but this has to get gutted and completely torn apart. With same as that one over there. That's the same issue. I take the whole dash part, everything again. So yeah, we're today at Carnahan Customs facility. I'm here with Louise.
What's up?
It's my buddy. We are getting the battery tray, fuse box out, because we got the interior gutted completely, basically. Nothing's in here now. So I have some wires here. I'll do those once we get all this all sorted and figured out. All right, we're at Carnahan Customs. Me and Luis are getting the wiring harness completely taken out. And you see, there's my dash, all the inside taken out. A lot of wires are out. The main harness is here. All the modules, fuse box, like that. TCM, whatever the hell over there. So looking pretty bare. He's getting these two wires out. These are all unplugged. This is the main one, so the tranny. I'm not gonna worry about that one. And there's one back here. Crap, one back here I gotta get out. One there. Maybe some here. No, we're good. And there's one down there. And after that, I think the main of it all should be unplugged. Then we got like brake lines and hoses and shit like that. So we should be okay. But yeah, so update number 1. See how it goes. All right. After getting the rest of those tranny bolts out, or bolts, plugs, I think that's it for the wiring harness completely. Maybe, hold on. Oh, wait. Ta-da! And that's how you make something that's running, not that. All right. Pretty successful day today. Now we're gonna get dinner. Little dinner date. Carlos. Oh damn. Carlos for dinner. Hey. Yeah, so there's the parts truck. I've literally used everything for that truck. To put in this purple one. And now for the red one. So yeah. I'm not what? I definitely scared a little girl.